Am I the asshole for hiding food from my roommate? I, 19F, live with another girl in college. She consistently would eat my food, and when I caught her, said she would replace it, but never did. I finally got a mini fridge for my room and started labeling what I left in the kitchen. She was calling me petty and told her friends I made the apartment hostile. Really don't know how it was my fault. I just don't think I should be feeding the both of us. Am I the whole? Ano tong H? Anong sabihin ng H? Am I the whole? Or the hoe?
Am I the hell?
For locking up my food? Diyos ko, ano ba? Paano kaya siya bansagang hostile? Or parang bakit naging hostile yung ganong approach? Kung well, in fact, na ikaw naman ang nanginginain ng pagkain ng hindi sa'yo. Diba? I just don't get people like this. Sabagay kasi hindi naman to Philippines, pero parang feeling ko mabalik ako doon sa Ako Ba Yung Gago kasi hindi ko alam yung culture sa ibang lugar. Pero, damn, bakit, ano ka ba? Patay gutom? PG ka ba? Am I the anger? Anger tuloy. Am I the hunger? Am I the hostile? Hostile ba? Hostile or hostile?
Hostile.
Hostile! Very good, Google. Kahit dito may nagnanakaw ng sa bahay niyo ba, Kuya Japs? O dyan sa lugar ninyo? Lagi may nagagalit minsan sa work kasi parang may ganyang am I the asshole? Ay, tama ba? Am I the asshole ba? Or parang dinimanda niya. Ang kwento daw nun, isang kwento is, dinimanda niya yung kawork niya kasi allergic daw siya sa peanuts. Parang dinimanda ata sa courthouse ata to eh. Sabi niya, okay, allergic ka sa peanuts, pero the food was not for you. It's for me. Baon ko yon. Sabi nung defense mechanism. Sabi nung defense, that's my food. It has peanuts. Yes, it does have peanuts, but it's my food. Tapos naka-label daw dun sa sa Tupperware siguro. Defender. Defender. Parang sabi niya, pero ang pinipilit nung nagdemanda is, yes, and you know that I have peanut allergies, why would you bring a food that has peanuts on it? Tapos ang defense ng isa, but it's not for you. Parang nagba-back and forth sila tungkol doon. Tapos ang ruling, nanalo yung defender, yung superhero ng kwento na to. Nanalo siya kasi hindi kasi para doon or doon sa taong yun. Yung pagkain na dinala niya na nasa public ref. Public ref. Basta nasa community fridge. Tsaka nakalagay naman yung pangalan niya doon. Oh, stupid holds no bounds. Yun nga eh. Tapos ang nirereklamo niya, humihingi ata siya ng damages kasi na-hospital siya. Kasi nga may peanuts, nagkaroon siya ng allergic reaction, na-hospital siya, tapos mga ilang araw na community fridge, baka naman communal. Hindi ba banyo yan? Communal fridge. O basta yun yung pangkalahatan. Basta yun na yun. Basta fridge. Ayun. Basahin na natin yung comments dito. Yung comments ni Mod. Okay. Most people are hostile with thieves. Plus, I would be telling your friends that she's a thief. Ask them how they would deal with it or if they would bring free groceries around to feed both of them to make the place less hostile, not the asshole. I never viewed her as a thief, but I guess that it's completely right. She absolutely is a thief. Otherwise, she would have been replacing food she ate and buying food that you were welcome to eat. After all, if she enjoys eating whatever you had purchased, why didn't she ever purchase some of that for both of you to enjoy? Because she only takes, steals, and doesn't give. Also, unless you both had agreed to share food, she never had permission to help herself to your food. If she had as much food that you helped yourself to, would she have been fine with that? Nope. Not the asshole. And consider this your adulting intro to handling people who manipulating users who try to guilt, shame, bully you into giving into their demands. You hold firm without apology and ignore the bystanders who tell you to give in to keep the peace or avoid drama, etc. Or tell them they are welcome to fulfill her wants. Also, know that people eventually figure out who the takers are and aren't judging you as much as you might imagine. Ayan na. She may not have seen it that way, but it's definitely theft if she's not replacing it. Honestly, I'd own the hostel because you are and definitely absolutely nothing wrong with protecting what's yours from a lying, manipulating thief. That's what she's shown herself to be, and you need to continue to treat her accordingly. That friendship has sailed apartment. So, do what you need to do until the semester school year ends. O, pack. Magnanakaw daw si Ate Girlish. Actually, nung naghahanap kami ng apartment dito, may option kami sa shared house. Kasi mas mura siya. Pero I don't want to deal with other shit and ayaw ko din magkaroon ng reason, magka-conflict. Alam niyo, yan yung pinaka-isa sa mga mahihirap na bagay sa apartment o kaya sa living under one roof. Kasi with somebody else, na-try ko mag-condo living. Yung parang many times ko na ata na kwento dito sa stream na meron akong mga nakasama sa bahay. Kala ko friendship kaming ganyan. Tas after non friendship over. So hard. But yeah, parang ganyan din yung yung conflict din naman ni Josh. Kuya Japs. Shared house din siya before. Ang dami niya na nakitang conflict. Pag may nag-aaway, kailangan niyang gumitna. Tapos kapag naman gumitna siya, sa kanya madadirect yung anger. Parang, wah. Understandable. Kung ayaw i-share, edi don't. Ang problema nga kasi, ninanakawan siya ng pagkain.